Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to share some insights from analysis we conducted on the Aave Grants DAO. The goal here was to bring more transparency to the grant review process and understand the dynamics of our reviewer community. For those who may not know, the Aave Grants DAO funds innovative projects that benefit the Aave ecosystem, from developer tools to community events. We analyze historical grant proposals and, most importantly, the data on how they were reviewed. First, let's talk about participation. Who is doing the reviewing? We found that over the last year or so, the DAO has maintained a stable pool of about a dozen unique reviewers each quarter. As you can see from this chart, after initial ramp up in 2021, the number of active reviewers has remained remarkably consistent. What's more, we identified a core group of reviewers who have been active since the early days of the DAO. This shows a healthy mix of consistent, experienced contributors and fresh perspectives. Next, we dug into reviewer behavior. We looked at acceptance rates and how much feedback reviewers typically provide. We saw significant variability in acceptance rates. For example, one reviewer has 40% acceptance rate, while others have yet to approve a proposal they reviewed. We also analyzed the length of the written feedback. The overall average for a text-based review is about 33 words. However, when a grant proposal moves to an interview stage, the rationale becomes much more detailed, averaging about 65 words. This tells us that the interviews are where the deeper, more nuanced feedback happen. This chart really highlights the engagement levels. It shows the cumulative number of words written by each reviewer over time. Right? We can see here some clear power reviewers here. For instance, the most prolific individuals have written over 2,500 words of combined rationale for the reviews and interviews. This shows an incredible level of dedication and engagement from key members of the community. So what does this all mean? Our analysis shows that the Aave Grants DAO has a healthy and stable reviewer ecosystem. We have a consistent group of dedicated reviewers, and the engagement deepens the interview phase. These insights are valuable. By understanding these dynamics, we can continue to improve transparency, balance consistency with new perspectives, and ultimately make the grant evaluation process even more effective for the entire Aave community.